We went from 0 sales to reaching up to $10,000 in passive income using nothing but digital products, affiliate links, and a little bit of strategy.
You don't need to be famous. You don't need a massive following. And no, you don't need to show your face either.
And we're not gatekeeping anything. In this video, we're showing you exactly how we did it, step by step. You'll want to stick around for a bonus gift at the end of this video.
Hey, we're Haley and Katrina, twin sisters, digital marketers, and business grads who decided we were done trading our time for money.
Even though we studied business, what they didn't teach you in school is how to create freedom. We wanted time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. We knew the digital space was where it all started.
Let's be real. You don't need a diploma to make passive income. You just need the right tools and mentorship.
We invested into a step-by-step digital marketing course that didn't just teach us. It gave us a product to promote and an affiliate link to start earning high commissions immediately.
So while others spend years in a classroom and thousands on tuition, you can start learning how to build income streams online today and be up and running in days or weeks.
No experience, no problem. The course walked us through everything: content creation, automation, even how to close sales while you sleep.
We didn't create our own product at first. We promoted other people's digital products and got paid every time someone purchased through our link.
That's the magic of affiliate marketing. You don't need to build something from scratch. You just need to learn how to promote it. And when you learn the right skills, your content starts working for you.
Our first few $100, 100% affiliate sales. The first time we hit 1,000 in a month, affiliate sales. And that number kept growing.
We didn't just post randomly and hope it worked. We followed a strategy: Faceless reels, Pinterest pins, story scripts, lead magnets. Everything had a purpose.
We created value, built trust, and made sure every piece of content was leading back to our affiliate link or freebie. Our funnel did the work, so we didn't have to hustle 24/7.
This is where most people give up, but we stayed consistent, tested what worked, and doubled down on it.
Eventually, we took it a step further and started selling our own digital products too. Things like templates, guides, and low-ticket offers that bring in passive sales every single week.
Once you learn the digital marketing skills, the opportunities multiply. Affiliate links, Etsy shops, courses, UGC, even brand deals. Your online presence becomes your portfolio and your income engine.
Look, we didn't have overnight success. We had moments of doubt, of no sales, of wondering if we made the right decision.
But we believed in the process, and most importantly, we had mentorship. We weren't alone. We followed a blueprint that was already proven to work.
And now we get to mentor others who are just starting. Because when one of us wins, we all win.
So if you're watching this and thinking, I could never do that, please hear this. You can. We've seen moms, students, teachers, and total beginners make their first $500, then $5,000, and beyond.
You don't need to be techie. You don't need to be loud. You just need a plan, a little bit of courage, and a community that believes in you. And that's what we offer.
Inside our mentorship, we walk you through everything. You'll gain access to the same tools, same product, same training. And yes, even your own affiliate link so you can start earning while you're learning.
We've helped many people start their online business from scratch, and it all started with one step: saying yes to something different.
You stuck around until the end, so here's our secret announcement. Use code FACELESS to get 50% off our mini guide, the Faceless Launchpad. Only $12.
Over 30 pages of actionable information to help you launch your digital marketing business without showing your face. Plus, you can resell it for 80% profit. It's everything you need to get started step by step. Don't miss out. Check the link below to grab this discount. You're not behind, you're right on time.
This is just the beginning for us, and it could be the beginning for you too.